Welcome to AZ Superbox. In this video, we're thrilled to unveil the top 5 premier GeForce RTX 3090 graphics cards that combine exceptional performance and style to elevate your gaming experience. The GeForce RTX 3090 is renowned for its cutting-edge graphics capabilities, and these graphics cards are meticulously crafted to complement and safeguard its premium design. The graphics cards discussed in this video are not ranked in any particular order. If you're a gaming enthusiast seeking to enhance your gaming visuals with the GeForce RTX 3090, you're in the right place. These graphics cards are constructed using high-quality materials, ensuring outstanding durability and reliable cooling for your valuable components. Through their precise engineering and thoughtful design, these graphics cards not only optimize your gaming visuals but also contribute to the aesthetics of your setup. Each graphics card on our list has been carefully selected based on its quality, performance, design, and overall user satisfaction. Whether you're inclined towards sleek, minimalist cards or robust ones for demanding gaming sessions, our top 5 picks cater to various preferences and features. Our unwavering commitment to excellence ensures that these graphics cards seamlessly complement your GeForce RTX 3090 and provide a perfect fit, allowing easy access to all ports, buttons, and functions. For more comprehensive information about the top 5 best GeForce RTX 3090 graphics cards we discuss, be sure to check the links in the video description below. There, you'll find pricing and additional details about each graphics card. For those looking for a deeper analysis and comparison, make sure to visit our website, azsuperbox.com. Our website offers comprehensive reviews and valuable insights to guide you in selecting the ideal graphics card for your GeForce RTX 3090. Without further ado, let's delve into the realm of the top 5 best GeForce RTX 3090 graphics cards and discover the perfect one that aligns with your gaming style and performance needs. If you find this video informative, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Your support is greatly appreciated, and we're excited to provide you with more valuable tech reviews and recommendations. Let's get started.